Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to read books on Wattpad. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Wattpad. Now once you open the Wattpad, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're logged into your account, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. In the home interface only, you'll be able to see various stories and books over here. You can scroll down to see more. Likewise, if you do not find the book that you want to read in this interface, you can simply tap on the search icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to search for the book that you want to read. Over here, you'll be able to see the search bar. You can simply tap on the search bar. Now you can search for the title, author or genre according to your choice. Here I'm just going to type in the title of the book. Now once you type in the book that you want to read, what you have to do is search for it. Now you'll be able to find various results over here. Find the book that you want to read and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find more information regarding this book over here. If you want to read this book, you can tap on this option read, or if you want to read this book offline, what you can do is tap on this option library. After that, you'll be able to add this to the library. Simply tap on the reading list that you want to add it to. Now after doing that, this book will be added to the reading list and you'll be able to access it online. Or if you want to read it right now, what you have to do is tap on this option read. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to read this book. So like this, you'll be able to read the book. So that is how you read books on Wattpad. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.